Welcome back. If you're passionate about discovering new opportunities in the world of investing, you're in the right place. Today, we're setting out on an exciting journey to uncover some of the stock market's best-kept secrets, those hidden gems that often go unnoticed by the mainstream. Our focus today is on penny stocks. These are shares of small companies that trade at low prices, often under $5. While they might seem unassuming at first glance, penny stocks can offer incredible potential for growth. But, as with any investment, there's a catch. The risks are much higher, and the rewards can be just as dramatic. These stocks are known for their volatility, which means prices can swing wildly in a short period of time. Unlike established blue-chip companies, penny stocks are often from emerging businesses or those undergoing major changes. This means that while you could see your investment multiply, you could also face significant losses. It's a world where fortunes can be made, or lost, overnight. That's why it's so important to approach these stocks with both curiosity and caution. To help you navigate this exciting but challenging landscape, I've spent hours researching the market, analyzing trends and digging into company reports. I've put together a list of my top 10 penny stocks to watch for 2025. These picks are based on growth potential, recent performance, and unique business models that could set them apart in the coming year. In this video, we'll break down what each company does, the industries they operate in, and the reasons why they might be poised for a breakout year. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the story behind each stock is key to making informed decisions. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are not recommendations to buy or sell any security. Always do your own research, consult with a professional if needed, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. So, are you ready to discover some potential winners and learn what makes them stand out? Grab your notepad, get comfortable, and let's jump into the first stock on our list. Let's get started on this journey to uncover the hidden gems of the stock market together. First up is Zomedica, ticker ZOM, a company that's been making waves in the veterinary health sector. Based in Ann Arbor, Michigan, Zomedica focuses on developing innovative solutions for animal healthcare, aiming to bridge the gap between advanced diagnostics and everyday veterinary practice. Their mission is to empower veterinarians with tools that improve the quality of care for pets, while also streamlining clinic operations and enhancing profitability for practitioners. As a player in veterinary health, Zomedica addresses a rapidly growing market fueled by rising pet ownership and increased spending on animal wellness. The company's products are designed to meet the evolving needs of modern veterinary clinics, where efficiency and accuracy are more important than ever. At the heart of their offerings is the TRUFORMA platform, a state-of-the-art diagnostic device that allows veterinarians to perform a range of tests right in their clinics. This flagship product enables rapid in-clinic test results for conditions like thyroid and adrenal disorders, which means pets can get the right treatment faster and owners can have peace of mind without waiting days for lab results. The TRUFORMA system operates on a razor and blade model, where the device itself is complemented by recurring sales of disposable test cartridges. This approach not only ensures faster diagnoses for pets but also creates a steady stream of revenue for Zomedica, as clinics need to regularly purchase new cartridges to keep up with patient demand. Zomedica's future growth is closely tied to expanding their installed base of TRUFORMA devices and continuously adding new test options to the platform. By increasing the number of clinics using their system and broadening the menu of available tests, Zomedica can drive both adoption and usage, positioning themselves as a go-to provider for in-clinic diagnostics. In recent years, Zomedica has also pursued strategic acquisitions to diversify their product lineup, adding complementary technologies and expanding their reach within the veterinary industry. These moves highlight management's commitment to long-term growth and their willingness to invest in innovation, even as the competitive landscape intensifies. Of course, there are risks to consider. Zomedica faces stiff competition from larger, more established players in the animal health space, and the company has yet to achieve consistent profitability. Investors should be mindful of the challenges involved in scaling up sales and managing costs in a competitive market. Still, the outlook for Zomedica is promising. The pet care market is booming, with more people treating their pets like family and seeking high-quality medical care. Zomedica's scalable business model, focus on innovation and expanding product suite, make it a stock to watch closely in 2025 as the company works to capture a larger share of this growing industry. With all these factors in mind, let's move to our next pick. Number 2 on our list is Denison Mines, a company that's been making waves in the uranium sector for years. Trading under the ticker DNN, Denison Mines is a uranium exploration and development company that's riding the global clean energy wave. As the world looks for alternatives to fossil fuels, uranium is becoming increasingly important, and Denison is right at the heart of this transition. Uranium is crucial for nuclear power generation, which is gaining momentum as a reliable and low-carbon energy source. With more countries committing to net zero emissions, nuclear energy is being recognized as a key part of the solution, and demand for uranium is expected to surge in the coming years. Denison's flagship project, Wheeler River, is located in Canada's renowned Athabasca Basin, one of the richest uranium-producing regions in the world. This project has the potential to become one of the world's lowest-cost uranium mines, giving Denison a significant competitive edge. What sets Denison apart is their commitment to innovation and sustainability. They're using cutting-edge, eco-friendly mining methods that minimize environmental impact while maximizing efficiency and safety. The company has made impressive technical progress, advancing the Wheeler River project through key development milestones and demonstrating strong operational expertise. The next big catalyst for Denison is the final investment decision on Wheeler River. This decision will determine the project's future and could unlock significant value for shareholders. If global demand for uranium continues to rise and Denison successfully executes its plans, the potential upside for investors is enormous. Rising uranium prices and a strong project pipeline make Denison a company to watch closely. With all these factors in play, Denison Mines is well positioned for future growth. Let's see what's next on our list. Third is Exela Technologies, ticker XELA, specializing in business process automation. They help major companies digitize workflows and automate tasks with solutions spanning banking, healthcare, and more. Exela's challenge is its heavy debt load, but management is working to reduce it by selling non-core assets. Their push into small business markets with products like DrySign could unlock new growth. If they succeed in deleveraging and expanding, Exela could see a dramatic turnaround. High risk, but the potential reward is significant. On to our next innovative company. Fourth is Cybin, ticker CYBN, a biotech innovator in psychedelic medicine for mental health. They're developing next-gen psilocybin-based treatments for depression and anxiety, aiming for faster, more effective therapies. Recent positive Phase 2 trial results have validated their approach and reduced risk. The next milestone, a pivotal Phase 3 trial, the last step before FDA approval. If successful, Cybin could revolutionize mental health treatment. The risks are high, but so is the potential impact. Let's check out a leader in AI. Fifth is SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN, a leader in voice and conversational AI. Their tech powers voice recognition in cars, restaurants, and smart devices, offering brands independence from big tech. A major catalyst, NVIDIA's investment, signaling strong confidence in SoundHound's future. Their business model combines licensing and royalties, creating scalable revenue. Watch for new partnerships and royalty growth in 2025. Next, a clean energy innovator. Sixth is Gevo, ticker Gevo, focused on renewable fuels, especially sustainable aviation fuel. They've secured multi-billion-dollar contracts with major airlines, locking in future revenue. Their drop-in fuels work with existing engines, making adoption easy for airlines under pressure to decarbonize. The key is building their Net Zero 1 production facility. Success here unlocks massive growth. If they deliver, Gevo could be a game-changer in green aviation. Let's talk global energy. Seventh is Tellurian, ticker TEL, developing a major LNG export facility on the U.S. Gulf Coast. Led by industry veteran Sharif Suki, Tellurian aims to export U.S. natural gas to high-demand markets overseas. The company's future depends on securing financing for its Driftwood LNG project. If they succeed, it could be a strategic asset for global energy security, and highly profitable. Watch for financing news as a key catalyst. Now let's shift to electric vehicles. Eighth is Mullen Automotive, ticker MULN, an EV startup with a multi-vehicle strategy. Strategic acquisitions have given them manufacturing capacity and a foothold in the commercial EV market. They're also developing advanced solid-state battery tech, aiming for industry-leading range and fast charging. Mullen is high risk, facing tough competition and funding challenges, but their innovative approach and commercial focus make them a speculative stock to watch in 2025. Next, a big name in cannabis. Ninth is Tilray Brands, ticker TLRY, a global cannabis and consumer goods company. They've diversified by acquiring U.S. craft beer and spirits brands, building a distribution network for future cannabis beverages, the big play positioning for U.S. cannabis legalization, leveraging their beverage infrastructure. Risks include slow legalization and challenges in their core Canadian business. If the U.S. legalizes cannabis, Tilray could be a top beneficiary. Let's wrap up with a gold producer. 10th is B2Gold, ticker BTG, a profitable mid-tier gold miner. They generate strong cash flow and even pay a dividend, rare for a stock at this price. The stock trades at a discount due to geopolitical risks in Mali and a major new project in Canada. Success with their Goose project will diversify operations and reduce risk. With strong management and a rising gold price, B2Gold is a value play with clear catalysts. Let's close with some final thoughts. That's my top 10 penny stocks to watch for 2025. These companies span diverse industries, each with big potential and big risks. Remember, this is a watch list, not investment advice. Do your own research, dig into the details, and understand the risks before investing. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more. Share your thoughts or other penny stocks you're watching in the comments. Thanks for watching, and always consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. See you next time.